Good day, ma'am. I am Alona Jean M. Luterte, a second-year public administration student. So, the title of my retirement plan is Emphasizing the Hypothetical Public Servant. Public servant and profile and current situation. Age 55 years old, years of service 30 years of service. Position senior accountant, current salary maybe 90,000 or and current savings 250,000 to 300k. Health status good health but anticipates increased healthcare costs in retirement. Government retirement program enrollment and benefits. Supplemental retirement strategies. Building a comprehensive retirement plan, personal savings, investments, annuity, purchase a fixed annuity to provide guaranteed income, part-time, explore part-time consulting opportunities after retirement to supplement income. Projected retirement income and expenses. Financial projections for retirement, income source monthly amount, social security, city pension, annuity, part-time work, and total monthly income. Risk management and contingency planning, mitigating risk and preparing for the unexpected. Healthcare costs, supplemental health insurance to cover gaps in Medicare coverage. Inflation. Regularly review and adjust investment strategy to account for inflation. Unexpected expenses. Maintain an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. The photo conclusion, respond, preparation, risk analysis, evaluation, and recovery. Contingency management cycle is a circular process showing the 5 case stages involved in managing potential risks and unexpected events. Risk analysis, preparation, response, recovery, and evaluation. Each stage feeds into the next, creating a continuous loop for proactive and reactive risk management. Conclusion and recommendations. This plan combines government benefits with personal savings and investments to provide a comfortable retirement. This conclusion of an annuity provides guaranteed income, mitigating some risk. Regularly review and adjust the plan as needed to account for changes in circumstances or market conditions. Consider long-term care insurance as a further risk mitigating strategy. And that would be all. Thank you and have a good day.